Belmopan Active Youth is an organization that was formed in 2012, and its main focus is to empower, educate and engage young people of Belmopan and surrounding communities. We believe all young people are at risk. The violence that is escalating, for example, in Belize City, is actually moving out into other communities such as Belmopan, and we have seen firsthand how our youths have become more and more engaged in criminal and violent activity, or they have a risk of becoming a victim. Well, in terms of armed violence, we have done many training in the past, but of more recent, we have partnered with UNICEF in a program that specifically speaks to armed violence. In that program, we are training 120 young people from Belmopan and Roaring Creek and neighboring communities. We take them outside of their communities to an area where they are actually locked in for the entire weekend. And that way they free themselves up from whatever they faced in their communities, in their homes, with their peers.
What do you think the consequences should be if the rules are broken?
Send them home.
Okay, we are going to send them home according to where's your name tag?
We're looking at anger management. Many of these young people have been pushed to where they become angry and they don't have any clue how to manage that anger.
I was going through a little bit of emotion problem because my brother died. When I first went out, I thought it was about just loan playing, but when you reach here, it was about teaching young people, youths, about drugs, friends who they hang with, try to be a leader, not a follower, show the right way.
Many of them are leaders in their own right. They're leaders in their communities, they're leaders among their peers, they're leaders with their siblings. Coming into the program, they may not display a positive leadership skills, but we're hoping that by the time they come out of the program, that they'll be able to lead in a more positive way. We also have sporting activities, which is very important to the young person. And we're also looking at rehabilitating of their communities, because it's very important for them to know that this is my community, I own it. And the more they have ownership in their communities, to the things in their communities, the more respect they will show for people and for property and of course for themselves.
6 months ago, I was someone who was lied. I like to tell my mom lie. I used to smoke, used to be disrespectful, not to my mom, but to my teachers and other people, be disrespectful. Never listen to my mom, hang with friends till late at night.
We actually see the transformation in them, and we see them turn into leaders and coming back and even facilitating training and coming back and giving testimonials.
It changed me, so how it changed me, I'm probably sure that it will change the rest. Whoever you will go through mind changes, you will have friends that will tell you, oh, you're weak, you this, you that, but it's your mind. You just have to put your mind to it and show them, no, I know I want to be a leader, I know a follower.
These young people go back into their homes, where most of them have siblings. They go back into their families, their communities. So we have seen how valuable it is. Not only does it transform life, but it transforms communities.